Hello everyone, welcome to Machine Learning Fundamental Series. This is Module 1, Video 2. So just a quick recall of what we did in the previous session. So in the previous video, we discussed different types of machine learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, etc. Now the important question arises is how do we know if a model is actually learned well? So when we are training the algorithm, we get a model. Now after getting the model, how do we know that the training was done properly and the model is learned well? So this we will see in this particular video. Now the learning outcome, by the end of this video, you will be able to understand training and testing datasets. So what is the meaning of training dataset and what is the meaning of testing datasets, and explain why training accuracy alone is misleading, and understand the concept of generalization. Now the learning process. So how a machine learning model learns. So we have datasets, and we divide these datasets into two parts. One is called the training dataset, other is called the testing datasets. In most of the cases, 80% of the datasets they comprise the training part, and the remaining 20% they are the testing part. Using the training datasets, we train the algorithm, and we have a model. Now after getting the model, we must evaluate how much it has been trained or how much accurate it is. So this is done by the testing data. So what is the meaning of training dataset? So training dataset is the dataset used to teach the model patterns and relationships. So using that training sets, the algorithm actually finds the patterns and the relationships. So for example, here we have images, some image and the label. So image we can say it is the input and the label is the output. So here there are three images, apple, cat and the male. So on the right hand side we have this label. So apple is of course a fruit. So input is that particular the fruit, the apple, and label is fruit, and cat image and the label is animal, and the male it shows it is a spam male or maybe the male simple male, so it is a male. So during the training, the model observes many examples and learns patterns from them. So it just tries to catch the patterns. Now what is the meaning of testing data set? So testing data set is a new data that the model has never seen before. So as in the previous slide what we saw is we have the data sets. It is divided into two parts. One is the training data set, and we keep 20 aside. So this 20% is the testing data set which the model has never seen before. Now is the purpose of this testing data set to evaluate the model performance, how much it performs. So check if the model learn useful patterns or not. So testing data acts like an exam for the model. So whether the model has been trained properly or not. Now this we understand with a simple student example. So the study material is the training data. Suppose the student is having some study material, that is the training data. And when the student goes for the exam, that is the testing data. So student learns from that particular study material, and how much the student has gained the knowledge, that we can only know by the exams. So that is the testing part. So a student studying past problems may score well in practice, but the real test is whether they can solve new problems. So here what we say is if the student is already solved many problems and that particular problem comes in the exam, it is not a problem. But in case if the student gets some new problems, so what is the ability that the student may solve the problem? This is what the machine learning is. So we train the machine, we train the algorithm using some known data sets, okay, the training data sets, and while testing we give some new data sets and evaluate the model. So now why training accuracy is not enough? So training accuracy may be misleading. So model may perform in case of training accuracy, it has performed very well 100%, but testing accuracy is poor. So what does this mean actually? Why? Because the model may memorize training data instead of learning the patterns. So in case if the model just memorizes the training data sets instead of learning the pattern, it may fail. Fail in the sense we won't get a good testing accuracy. So if a model only memorizes the training examples, it will fail when it encounters new data. Now, what is the difference between memorization and learning? That is called as generalization. So, memorization is model remembers exact examples, and in case of generalization, model learns the underlying patterns. So, the goal of machine learning is generalization, not memorization. So, the goal of machine learning is not to memorize the training data, but to generalize to unseen data. Now, let us take an example, a real world field example, if only memorization would be done. So, for example, a spam email detection. So, we have the training data set, like we tell the model that we tell the algorithm that any mail which contains these three keywords like free money, win lottery, claim price, this all are any mail which contains any of these three or all of this or any of this combination, they are they should be flagged as a spam mail. Now, if the model memorizes these words only, it might fail. So, consider this particular mail which has this message: "Congratulations, you have been selected for a reward." This is suppose a spam mail, but even though it is a spam mail, the model will not classify it as a spam because this any of the words all of which we had given to the model are not there. So even though the message is spam, the model may fail because it only memorized the training examples. Now let us take another example, a visual example. There is a face recognition. Now if we train only on the, suppose we have some images, we have an image, we only train the model for the front face images. Now it may fail, like on the side view, maybe on the different lighting conditions, or maybe with a different background. So this is the, we can say, the difficulty. Now our goal is generalization. So what is the meaning of generalization? Ability of a model to perform well on unseen data. That is our main goal. So a good machine learning model should perform well not only on the training data but also on new unseen data. That is what our goal is. Now the summary, like training data, it is used to learn the patterns, the underlying patterns, and testing data is used to evaluate the performance, how the model is performing. And of course, generalization is the ability to work on new data sets. Now, this was for this particular session. In the next video, what we'll see is machine learning models learn from data. But what exactly is this data made of? So we only just talked about the data, what exactly data is made up of, that we'll see. So in the next video, we will explore features, labels, and different types of machine learning data. And what is data in machine learning? Okay, there is a features, labels, structured or unstructured data. So understanding data is the foundation of machine learning. So that's all for this session. Thanks for watching.